Hi and welcome to My Quaint Cottage. Today we're in the kitchen and we're working with green peppers. I'm typically a very impatient gardener. I want to have peppers in everything and I want them now. None of the pepper plants that I've ever planted have been able to keep up with my demand for peppers until this year. This year we tried out a Japanese heirloom called Shishito peppers, and you are supposed to pick them when they are green. I planted one plant just to try it out, and this was my harvest today. Just today. These can be frozen at this stage without blanching. I've got a really good start on those peppers. So now, because I'm going to make a really quick side dish of stir-fried peppers and onions, I'm going to go ahead and work on the onions. Because I'm doing quite a few of these walking onion top sets, I'm going to be blanching them quickly. I just cut off the bottom, then put all of them into the boiling water, blanch them for about 5 minutes, then put them in cold water and the skins should peel right off. My water's boiling, so I'll go ahead and put these onions in. I've taken the onions out of the boiling water and put them into cold water, and as you can see, some of them have gone ahead and peeled themselves. While I'm waiting for my pan to heat up, I went to the garden quickly and got some basil and oregano and parsley. If I was using raw onions, I would put the onions in first, but because these onions are blanched, I'm going to go ahead and put the green peppers in first. I'm going to salt these and then I'm going to cover them for about 5 minutes. I am going to stir them quite regularly because I don't want anything to burn. While I'm waiting for that, I'm going to go ahead and chop these up. Pretty good. It's been 5 to 7 minutes. I'm going to go ahead and add the onions and the herbs. Now I'll just add some salt and pepper. There you have it, a very green side dish of green peppers and green onions. I cannot wait until later in the season when I have orange peppers and maybe some red peppers to put in there too. Until next time, I hope you have a blessed day. Thank you so much for watching. Bye-bye.